yard full of them you
I
can
know
screw
you
around
do.
with. So absolutely, yeah.
So I'm gonna walk you through Tortilla Flat all the way to the end. It's very short, right?
Right.
All right, let's go.
Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing.
All right, Gills and Gasoliners, we're here at Ellsworth University. We're going to go to the Tortilla Flats run today. We do this, well, this is my first time doing it, but we got a bunch of hot rodders out here. We're going to have a good time. It's a great run. It's a little small town. I'll show you more about it, but stay to the end. I swear you're going to like it. I promise you. I promise you. Tortilla Flats.
I want you on my rack. I want to make you ring. I want you to unwrap. I want to pull your string. Got you on my mind. I love to see you swing. You're wild, you're a real live wire. I want to take you in. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing. Bring me the next shiny new thing.
All right, we made it to Tortilla Flats. We're here. I can't believe it. We are here, man. Look at all the people. Well, that person's not very happy right there. Saying no, but I'm glad we're here. I'm gonna show you a little bit around this town. Maybe give you a little bit of history. Yeah, I'll give you some history. This guy, he's running up there. I don't know if you can see that. See that guy? He's hanging. I don't know. Some people have a bad day here, but hey, we're here. We're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna show you around. All right.
Alright, I would have rather done that. Matt! Get your head back in there!
Oh.
Stop talking!
I don't see people very often.
All right, we got Nissans. Some newer Nissans. Some 240Zs, 350s, Datsuns. So you know Nissan was Datsun. Well, Datsun is, Datsun, and then it turned to Nissan. But I don't know if you all know the story of how Datsun, when it first came out, got its name. Japanese came out and they were making a car company, and they knew the Germans were, you know, engineers of the world. They knew how to make cars, so they went to them and say, hey, look, we need a name for our company, our car company. The Germans said, sure, we could do that. And they asked, well, how soon do you need it? The Japanese said, right now. And then the Germans go, Datsun? So that's how the name got. The name, Datsun. That's a true story. Okay, I'm getting hungry. Let's get a burger. There's dollars all along this restaurant. How many dollars do you think are on the walls here? How much?
It is $750,000 estimated.
$750,000?
Yes,
Good Lord. Almost $1 million. That's some expensive wallpaper, don't you think?
Before it had burnt down, and it was $1 million that did burn down with it.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Well, I might have to, how do you give a dollar?
What was it?
How do I give you a dollar to put on there?
You just give us $1, you just sign it.
Sign it?
Make it whatever, make it fun.
Okay.
Yeah, we hang it up.
All right, we'll do that today.
Yeah, I know. It sucks. Everything's free. Yeah, right? Malfunction in the system. Changes the economy of the afternoon. Machine's funky, it charges you triple. You can't refund it now. Yeah, exactly. $9 million for a hamburger, what?
Cornish game hen.
Oops, sorry about that.
Yeah. Is that actually octopus?
Funny thing is that, yeah.
It is,
I know,
It's
I know.
And I'm like, well,
Last time I heard
That's right there.
Well, that was good. Really, really good food. Well deserved. Let's show you a little bit more around here. So I'm going to walk you through Tortilla Flat all the way to the end. It's very short. Right?
right.
All right, let's go. Just a little store to buy little trinkets and gadgets and memorabilia. We know these folk. Did you guys have a good time?
Hey!
Real good time?
You know it.
Yep.
Hell yeah. When are you guys going back?
Shortly.
Yeah.
Shortly?
Once his wife gets done spending all of his money.
Oh boy. Well, there's not very many stores here, so I don't think I think you're okay.
Yeah, she has special tricks. Special powers.
All right, well, I'm gonna do a walkthrough and then I might roll with you guys. Cool?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
This is the restaurant we ate at.
Oh my gosh, I feel like we've been waiting for more than 40 minutes.
That's wait a second. Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Now, this is the same restaurant, but they have a bar out here.
When you get here,
Well, the thing was just 5 minutes ago.
Every step of the way.
John Wayne.
That guy's lost. He's supposed to be on the trail somewhere. I don't know. You look at your car, you ended up here. It's buried somewhere. There's a lot of cars out in that parking lot, folks, and there's a lot of really cool ones.
Poor fella up there.
I am so tired. It's early. I started laughing. I said, Jessica.
Another gift shop right here. It's called the General Store. Little museum right there.
Pull the wheel out first. Give it a turn.
You're all in jail.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what?
They got to get out. It's called a jailbreak.
Pull the wheel out. Give it a turn.
it's funny how important stopping can be. No, I had some friends. Mercury brakes on it. Like, it's already trying to kill me.
So, Chip, you do this every year, right?
Yeah.
How many years have you done this?
Let's see. I think with me it's about 6 years now.
6 years?
6 or 7, something like
Yeah.
that. Another friend of mine started it, and I went on all of his runs too. So it's probably the 12th year I've been out here on this one. I just sort of adopted it when he decided not to do it anymore.
It was a lot of fun today. This is the first time Goals and Gasoline has been on this run, and Chip is known around town and downtown Phoenix and doing all these runs, and so hopefully we may do a review on his hot rod runs today.
Absolutely, dude. You're more than welcome, Jim.
Right.
Got a yard full of them. You
I
should
know you
run
do.
with. So absolutely, yeah. But thank you very much for coming along.
Yeah,
I
it was
really
great.
Appreciate it a bunch.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good.
Yeah, you too. Later, buddy. See you guys later. Later, Brian. You got the exhaust come out the back or the side today?
Side right here.
Nice.
Always
on the side?
Always enter.
right, Goals and Gasoliners, it's time to go home. Tortilla Flats, what a great place to visit. If you're ever here in the Valley, Arizona, Phoenix, you know, come on down. Come down to this little town, it's nice. You see a bunch of different hot rods. And remember, get yourself a hot rod, start wrenching on it, smash the gas, and stand on it.